Hello everyone, welcome to Daily Learning for Exams. Before going into the topic, please do subscribe and like my channel. This video will cover algebra formulas which are most important for all competitive exams. If you remember all these 25 formulas, you can give answers within short time. No need to mug up. I have given explanation to the some formulas which is needed, so you can remember very easily. First one is a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Next, a minus b whole square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. We can write a square plus b square as a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Here plus 2ab minus 2ab will get cancelled. A square plus b square remains the same. Similarly, a minus b whole square plus 2ab also. Next, a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. Here also we can write a plus b whole square equal to a minus b whole square plus 4ab. A minus b whole square means a square plus b square minus 2ab plus 4ab. Finally, we will get a plus b whole square formula. Sixth one is also same procedure. We are writing a plus b whole square in terms of a minus b whole square and a minus b whole square in terms of a plus b whole square. For plus, we are adding 4ab. For minus, we are subtracting 4ab. Next one, a plus b plus c whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. A minus b minus c whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square minus 2ab plus 2bc minus 2ca. A plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square, or a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. From the above formula, we can write a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Next, a minus b whole cube equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square, or a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Same from above a minus b whole cube formula, we can write a cube minus b cube formula. Next, a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. If we have confused where we have to put minus, by checking once we will confirm. Next, a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Next 14 formula is very important. We will get most of the questions from this. We have to remember both the formulas. A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3 into abc equal to a plus b plus c into a plus b plus c whole square minus 3 into ab plus bc plus ca, or a plus b plus c by 2 into a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square. Case 1. If sum of abc equal to 0, then right side terms all become 0. Then a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equal to 0. Case 2. If we take a equal to b equal to c equal to 1, again right side will become 0. Then a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3 into abc equal to 0. From 15 to 25, we may get direct questions. Or by using these concepts, examiner will frame new questions. So, must try to listen these formulas and remember the concepts. there may be a chance to get confused. Questions may come like, if x plus 1 by x is equal to 1, then x square plus 1 by x square equal to how much? Here we have to find x square plus 1 by x square. So I am squaring on both sides. X plus 1 by x whole square equal to a square. From this, x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 into x into 1 by x equal to a square. Here x and 1 by x will get cancelled. Then x square plus 1 by x square equal to a square minus 2. This is the answer. Next, if x minus 1 by x is equal to a, then x square plus 1 by x square equal to a square plus 2. Again we have to find for x square plus 1 by x square. So do square on both sides. X minus 1 by x whole square equal to a square. X square plus 1 by x square minus 2 into x into 1 by x equal to a square. X and 1 by x will get cancelled. X square plus 1 by x square equal to a square plus 2. Next, x square plus 1 by x square equal to a. Then x plus 1 by x equal to square root of a plus 2. In the previous question, x plus 1 by x is given. We have to find x square plus 1 by x square. Now, x square plus 1 by x square given. We have to find x plus 1 by x equal to how much? Here add 2 on both sides. By the given data, we are just converting x plus 1 by x into x square plus 1 by x square and x square plus 1 by x square into x plus 1 by x by using x plus 1 by x whole square formula. 2 into x into 1 by x means we are just adding 2 on both sides. Just to make formula, we are multiplying with x and 1 by x. Now x plus 1 by x whole square equal to a plus 2 and x plus 1 by x equal to square root of a plus 2. Next, if x square plus 1 by x square equal to a, then x minus 1 by x equal to how much? Now we need to convert it into x minus 1 by x whole square formula. Finally, x minus 1 by x equal to square root of a minus 2. Same here also, x plus 1 by x equal to a given. We need to find x cube plus 1 by x cube. So cube on both sides. X cube plus 1 by x cube plus 3 into x into 1 by x into x plus 1 by x equal to a cube. Here x and 1 by x will get cancelled and x plus 1 by x is given in question as a. Now x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 3a equal to a cube. 3a will move to right side. Then x cube plus 1 by x cube equal to a cube minus 3a. Similarly, next question also. Here x plus 1 by x is given. We should find x minus 1 by x. Square on both sides. X plus 1 by x whole square equal to a square. Now we can write x plus 1 by x whole square as formula number 5, a plus b whole square equal to a minus b whole square plus 4ab. Then x minus 1 by x whole square plus 4 into x into 1 by x equal to a square. Here x and 1 by x will get cancelled and 4 move to right side. Then x minus 1 by x whole square equal to a square minus 4. Now x minus 1 by x equal to square root of a square minus 4. Next, x minus 1 by x equal to a given. We have to find for x plus 1 by x. Now x minus 1 by x square will write as x plus 1 by x whole square equal to x minus 1 by x whole square minus 4 into x into 1 by x. Then x plus 1 by x whole square equal to a square plus 4. Finally, x plus 1 by x equal to square root of a square plus 4. These two are very important. We must remember it. Here x plus 1 by x equal to 1 given. Then x cube equal to minus 1. Take LCM for x plus 1 by x. Then we will get equation x square minus x plus 1 equal to 0. Now multiply x plus 1 on both sides. Then we get x cube equal to minus 1. Next, x plus 1 by x equal to root 3 given. Then x power 6 equal to minus 1. Now by using formula number 19, we can write like x cube plus 1 by x cube equal to a cube minus 3a. In the question, a equal to root 3 is given. Then by substituting a value, we get x cube plus 1 by x cube equal to 0. By simplifying this, we get x power 6 equal to minus 1.